Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and for the Amaya Rain Day Barbie on the 18th, and today's Dolls Gone Goth, the theme is green or shamrocks. And you remember, if you watch my channel, that I had shown this beautiful, I love her, this beautiful Shadow High doll for my Amaya Rain Day, and I could have just shown her again, but I went a step further, and I made Wednesday a St. Patrick's Day dress. What, you say? But it's Jack Skelton. It is. So she has this all holiday dress. It's, of course, Halloween and Christmas, because, you know, Jack Skelton, Christmas. Then I had Darren print up some black shamrocks and some black hearts so that she could wear this for a multitude of holidays. So she's got 5 holidays here: Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Pi Day, and St. Patrick's Day. If, you know, she needs a little Easter bunny or something, a little black Easter bunny, because she doesn't do color. And she'd be set all year. So this is my little Wednesday, Netflix Wednesday, wearing her all holiday outfit. And I love this doll. I just love her. I can't wait to make her another outfit. I've got some ideas, but time. After Easter, after Easter. Thank you for watching. Dory, thank you so much, and I know you are going to have something super, super, super today. Please go by and see Dory's, and if you are doing a video today, please let me know in my comments so that I can come by and not miss your video too. Thank you again for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Have you ever seen a black shamrock before?